Welcome to the channel. Today's video is for anyone who's planning to purchase a hosting or hosting plan and wants to make sure they are getting the best possible price. You may have come across a 10% coupon code during your search, and while that's a legitimate saving, there's actually a 20% discount available, and I want to show you how to access it properly. Through my channel, I've arranged a special referral link that carries an exclusive 20% discount, and it's automatically applied when you visit Hostinger through that link. There is no coupon code to manually enter, and it's fully compatible across all regions, meaning it adapts to your local currency and language no matter where you're based. Simply use the link provided in the description to get started. Once you're on the Hostinger website, click on Products and Services in the navigation menu at the top of the page. This will give you a full view of everything they offer, including cloud hosting, web hosting, their website builder, and business email plans. For the purpose of this demonstration, I navigated to their VPS hosting section, which features 4-tier plans: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I selected the KVM2 plan, and upon proceeding to checkout, the 20% discount was already reflected in the pricing with no additional steps required. One important recommendation: use an email address that has not been previously registered with Hostinger, as promotional pricing is generally structured for new customers. If you found this walkthrough useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing. It helps the channel grow and allows me to keep sharing these kinds of deals. Thanks for watching.